Assalamualaikum. For science lesson today, you have to complete the exercise in PINTAR Science Workbook. Okay, this book, page 78 until 83. Okay, look at page 78. Method to separate a mixture. Match the diagram below with the correct method of separating mixtures. Dia suruh suaikan gambar di bawah dengan kaedah yang betul untuk mengasingkan campuran. Okay, look at number 1. Hafiz's mother wants to separate flour from peanuts that spilled into a container. Ibu Hafiz ingin mengasingkan gandum daripada ke kacang yang telah tumpah ke dalam sebuah bekas. Okay, so which one is the best method to separate the mixtures? Either the sieve or the magnet. Okay, you have to match. Okay, number 2. Aiman wants to separate the nails that are mixed with sand in a container. Aiman ingin mengasingkan paku-paku yang telah bercampur dengan pasir di dalam sebuah bekas. So, you have to match. For question on page 79, methods to separate a mixture. Carry out the following investigation to separate the various materials or object. Kita perlu menjalankan uji kaji untuk mengasingkan beberapa bahan dan objek. Okay, steps, langkah. Number 1, the teacher prepared the materials as shown below. Guru menyediakan bahan yang ditunjukkan di bawah. Okay, we have the first one, we have a mixture of chalk plus water, campuran kapur dan air. A mixture of sand plus salt water, campuran pasir dan air garam. A mixture of sand plus nail, campuran pasir dan paku. And then we also have filter tunnel, corong turas, filter paper, kertas turas, and magnet. Number 2, the teacher instruct the pupils to separate the mixture of chalk and water and the mixture of sand and salt water by using filter tunnel and filter paper. Guru mengarahkan murid untuk mengasingkan campuran chalk kapur dengan air dan a mixture of sand, campuran pasir dan air garam using filter tunnel and filter paper, menggunakan kertas turas dan corong turas. Okey, kertas turas ni diletak dalam corong turas dan kita akan tuangkan campuran dalam bekas ni untuk melihat hasilnya. And then, kaedah yang sama digunakan untuk bekas yang kedua. Okay. Number 3. Then the teacher instruct the pupils to separate the mixture of sand and nails by using a magnet. Kemudian, guru mengarahkan murid untuk mengasingkan campuran pasir dan paku dengan menggunakan magnet. Okay. Number 4. Pupils are required to answer the following questions. Murid diarahkan menjawab soalan di bawah. Okay, what can be observed from this investigation? Apa yang dapat diperhatikan daripada uji kaji ini? Okay, number 1, mixture of chalk and water. Okay, apa akan berlaku bila kita letak filter paper in the filter tunnel? Kita letak kertas ni dalam ni, kemudian kita tuangkan mixture of chalk and water. Apa akan berlaku? Can you imagine what will happen? Yes, of course, the chalk can be seen in the filter tunnel. Okay, the chalk will be stay on the filter paper. Okay, kapur ni akan tertinggal di dalam corong turas dan di atas kertas turas tu. Okay, sebab dia tak boleh turun ke bawah. Okay, yang turun ke bawah only water. Right. So, what will you write here? Apa jawapan yang nak tulis kat sini? Chalk. Okay, kapur. In the filter tunnel. Okay. Shock in the filter tunnel. Okay. My writing quite bad. Tulisan teacher tak cantik sikit ya. Buat tak cantik. Okay. Number 2, mixture of sand and salt water. Campuran pasir dan air garam. Okay, same also, right? Apa yang tinggal? What will be left in the filter tunnel? Of course, the sand. So, you write sand in the filter tunnel. Pasir di dalam corong turas. Okay, number 3, mixture of sand and nails. Campuran pasir dan paku. Apa akan jadi bila kita guna magnet? Kita letakkan magnet dalam ni, what will happen? Paku akan tertarik dengan magnet. Nail will be attract to the magnet. Right? Okay, tulis. Nail attract by magnet. Okay. Nail attracted by magnet. Okay, B. Why the nails can be separated by using a magnet? Kenapa paku-paku tu boleh diasingkan dengan menggunakan magnet? Sebab apa? Sebab apa paku tu dia tertarik pada magnet? Because nail is made from iron. Sebab paku tu dibuat daripada besi. Okay? Nail is made from iron. Nail is made from iron. Okay, conclusion. The materials in a mixture which cannot dissolve can be. Okay, kesimpulan dia, bahan-bahan dalam campuran ni, okay, yang tidak larut ni, dissolve, ingat lagi, dissolve maksudnya larut. Yang mana tak larut tu can be separate, boleh diasingkan. Separate. Okay, can be separated. Alright. Next page, page 80. Soluble and insoluble materials. Bahan larut dan bahan tak larut. Observe the diagram below. Tick at the correct answer. Perhatikan gambar-gambar di bawah. Pilih ataupun tick jawapan yang betul. Number 1, we have salt, garam. Okay, so salt, is it dissolve or cannot dissolve? We have learned this, right? Okay, so dissolve, right? So you tick here. Okay. Number 2, we have sand. Is it sand dissolve or cannot dissolve? Yes, cannot dissolve. Okay. Number 3, we have flour. Is it flour dissolve or cannot dissolve? Yes, cannot dissolve. When you put the flour in the water, and then you stir, and then you leave it, you can see the flour will stay at the bottom of the container. Right. So that means the flour cannot dissolve. Okay. Number 4, we have sugar. Okay, sugar cubes. Sugar dissolve or cannot dissolve? Yes, dissolve. Okay, dissolve. Larut. Right. Next page, page 81. Materials that dissolve more quickly. Bahan yang larut lebih cepat. Number 1, prepare 3 glasses of water of different temperatures. Disuruh sediakan 3 bekas dengan suhu air yang berbeza. The first one, we have cold water, air sejuk. Tap water, air pahit. Hot water, air panas. Okay, number 2, disuruh buat apa? Okay, put a spoon of sugar into each glass and stir for 5 seconds. Dia suruh masukkan sesudu gula untuk setiap gelas. Okay, masukkan sesudu gula dan kacau selama 5 saat. Okay, put the sugar into the cold water and then stir. Put sugar into the tap water and then you stir. And then put sugar into the hot water and then you stir. Okay, number 3, record the time of the sugar dissolve in each glass into the table provided. Okay, kemudian dia suruh rekodkan masa. Berapa lama masa diambil untuk sugar dalam setiap gelas itu larut. Okay, so we look at observation here. Okay, observation, pemerhatian. Okay, type of water, jenis air. We have cold water, tap water and hot water. Then time of sugar to dissolve in second. Okay, masa untuk gula larut dalam saat. Second dalam saat. Okay, so dia suruh tulis masa. Okay, teacher dah buat ni, eksperimen ni. So, teacher bagi keputusan yang teacher buat ya. Okay, masa teacher put the sugar into the cold water and then I stir. And then I can see the sugar dissolve after 20 minutes. Okay, lepas 20 minit teacher nampak barulah gula dalam air tu larut. So I put here 20 minit pula, 20 second. 20 saat. Okay. Lebih kurang teacher kacau 20 kali barulah dia larut. Okay. And then we have tap water. Air pipe. Okay, yang ni teacher ambil masa lebih kurang 10 saat. Okay, sebab teacher guna gula yang sangat halus. So 10 second. And then hot water, of course lah masa dia lagi singkat. Right, because air panas kita tahu bila kita letak gula dalam air panas, okay, the sugar will dissolve quickly. Okay, so yang ni teacher letak 5 second. 5 second dah dissolve dah. Right. Okay, so conclusion, sugar dissolve quickly in hot water. Quickly. Okay. Okay, next page. Page 82. Okay, teacher baca, teacher terjemahkan. Nanti awak pilih mana jawapan ya. Okay. A, circle the correct answer. Pilih, bulatkan jawapan yang betul. Methods to separate a mixture. Cara untuk mengasingkan campuran. Number 1. What is the most suitable tool to use to separate coarse sand and fine sand? Okay. Cara dia, dia kata, apa cara yang terbaik untuk mengasingkan coarse sand, pasir kasar, and fine sand, dan pasir halus? Okay. Either we use magnet ke, or we use the sieve, or we use the filter tunnel. Mana satu? Okay, nak asingkan pasir kasar dengan pasir halus. Okay, pilih. Okay. Number 2. Soluble and insoluble materials. Bahan larut dan tidak larut. Which of the following materials can dissolve in water? Okay, antara bahan berikut yang mana boleh larut dalam air? Which is A, or B, or C? Okay, you choose. Okay. Number 3. Hafiz stirs few types of materials in a beaker filled with water. He found that one material dissolved in the water. What is the materials? Kata Hafiz mengacau beberapa jenis bahan ataupun bahan dalam beaker yang diisi dengan air. Okay, dia mendapati satu bahan itu larut dalam air. Okay, antara 3 bahan ni mana yang larut? Is it salts, flour, or sand? Okay, pilih. Okay, and then number 4, materials that dissolve more quickly. Okay, number 4, father wants to prepare coffee. What type of water can be used to dissolve the sugar in the coffee faster? Okay, dia kata ayah ingin menyediakan kopi. Mana jenis air yang boleh digunakan untuk gula larut dengan cepat dalam kopi? Okay, either A, tengah ni ada uap tu maksudnya air panas kan? Okay, hot water, or B, maybe tap water, or C, cold water. Okay, which one yang paling cepat? Okay, number 5. Which of the following will dissolve fastest? Antara berikut yang manakah akan larut paling cepat? Okay, is it a spoon of sugar, sesudu gula, or a cup of sugar, secawan gula, or a bowl of sugar, ataupun semangkuk gula? Okay, kalau kita letak dalam air, air jumlah yang sama, kita letak sesudu, ataupun kita letak secawan dan kita letak semangkuk, mana satu yang lebih cepat dissolve? Lebih cepat larut? Mestilah yang paling sikit kan? Okay, you choose. Okay. Number 6. The diagram below shows an investigation. Okay, gambar ni menunjukkan satu uji kaji. What other way can quicken the process of substances solubility? Okay. Apa cara lain yang boleh mempercepatkan proses bahan ini, proses melarutkan bahan ni? Okay, apa cara yang cepat dia? Adakah A, use bigger size of substances? Menggunakan bahan yang bersaiz besar. Mungkin ni bahan ni apa benda, sugar ke, salt ke apa tak tahu ni, guna yang saiz besar-besar. Okay, betul ke? Or B, stir the solution dengan cara mengacau. Okay, C, use water in room temperature. Gunakan air dengan suhu bilik. Okay, mana yang kaedah yang paling cepat untuk the substances dissolve? Ni. Okay, pilih. Okay, next page, page 83. Okay, this is the last page. Okay, B, answer all the questions. Method to separate a mixture, soluble and insoluble materials. Underline the correct answer. Disuruh gariskan jawapan yang betul. Okay, we have water, we have glass rod. Glass rod ni rod kaca untuk kita mengacau. And then sand. Okay, pasir. Okay, A, what will happen? Apa akan berlaku? Sand will dissolve or not dissolve in the beaker. Kalau kita kacau sand ni, pasir kita kacau dengan air. Dissolve or not dissolve? Okay, you have to underline. Okay, gariskan mana satu. Kalau dissolve, larut. Kalau not dissolve, tak larut. Okay, B. How to separate the sand from the water? Macam mana untuk mengasingkan pasir daripada air? Okay, by using a filter or magnet. Dengan menggunakan filter, penuras ataupun guna magnet. Okay, underline which one. Okay, C. If the sand is replaced with nail, what is the tool that can be used to separate the nail and water? Nail is easy. Oh, ni jawapan. Okay. Apa jika pasir digantikan dengan paku? Pasir ni ganti dengan paku. Okay. Apa alat yang boleh digunakan untuk mengasingkan paku dengan air? Okay, of course, we have answered this question before this, right? Okay. Nail is easier to be separated from the water by using filter or magnet. You know the answer, you can underline. Okay, the last one. Materials that dissolve more quickly. Number 2, an investigation is carried out by a Year 2 Kasawari pupils. The result of investigation is recorded in the table below. Okay, penyiasatan yang dijalankan oleh murid-murid kelas 2 Kasawari ni. Okay, dan keputusan uji kaji dia dicatatkan di dalam jadual di bawah. Ni jadual ni table. This is table. Okay, the first one we have glass A, maybe the cold water. We have glass B, tap water maybe. And C, we have hot water. Okay, dia kata, a spoon of salt is put into each glass and stirred for 1 minute. Okay, sesudu salt, garam dimasukkan dalam setiap bekas ni dan dikacau selama 1 minit. Okay, result dia. Okay, keputusannya dalam glass A, okay, time taken by salt to dissolve. Okay, masa yang diambil untuk garam itu larut. Okay, A, 20 seconds. Dalam bekas ni 20 saat. B, 15 seconds, 15 saat. And C, 10 seconds, 10 saat. Okay, A, in which glass the salt dissolve fastest? Fastest, paling cepat. Tanya mana gelas yang garam tu melarut paling cepat. Tick at the correct answer. Yang paling cepat mestilah yang paling sekejap saja masa dia kan. Okay, so C, right? So here you tick C. Okay, B, state one inference for your answer in A. Inference ini maksudnya sebab. Dia kata nyatakan satu sebab kepada jawapan di A. Tadi jawapan kita dekat A ni C kan? So sebab apa you choose C? Okay, because glassy, hot water, right? So, we answer here, hot water can fasten the process of solubility. Air panas boleh mempercepatkan proses kelarutan. Proses untuk bahan itu larut. Okay, untuk garam itu larut. Right? One more time, kita tulis hot water. Hot water can fasten the process of solubility. Okay? Okay. So, that's all the exercises for today. Okay? Okay, next week we will turn to the new topic. Okay? So, complete your work and send or hand in the Google Classroom. Okay? Thank you, class. Assalamualaikum.